Hi, my name is Kyler Holland, and I'm going to walk you through my first aid kit. Starting off, I decided to use my backpack as my first aid kit. Keeps all items organized and easily accessible, and protects contents from damage, moistures, and other contaminations, so that's why it's essential. The first item on the list we had was Band-Aids. We needed 12 to 15 of various different sizes. I bought a little Band-Aid kit. It has a bunch of different varieties of Band-Aids in different sizes. They can be used to cover small cuts and abrasions to prevent infection, and they also help monitor bleeding and promote healing. The next thing on the list we had was adhesive tape. I have two adhesive tape rolls. Secure gauze and bandages into place, and can be used to immobilize small injuries or blisters. Next, we have the sterile gauze, 4x4, 10 packages total. I have 4x4, I have 25 packages total of sterile gauze. It can be used to absorb blood and fluids from wounds and provides a sterile barrier to prevent infection. Next thing on the list was rolled gauze. Came with 5 individual rolled packages. Rolled gauze can be used to wrap and secure your dressings over large wounds. Offers a light compression to reduce swelling, so we can use it for compression and monitoring diseases. Next on the list was the ACE bandage roll, used to support sprains, strains, and provide compression. Helps reduce swelling and stabilize joints. Next on the list, we have the antiseptic wipes. I got the 70% isopropyl alcohol wipes. Cleans wounds and prevents infections. Useful for disinfecting hands and tools before treatment, just keeping everything safe. Next on the list after that, we had instant ice packs. We had to get one instant ice pack. I have 2 packs right here. It reduces swelling and pain for injuries and helps manage inflammation and bruising. So it can be dual purpose of that nature. It can also be used to cool people down if they're having heat stroke. After that, we have bandage scissors and knives used. It can be used to cut tapes, gauze, clothing safely. Use access to injuries without causing further harm. So it be used to cut clothing or bandages or other things of that nature. Also be used as protection in dangerous situations. After that, we have tweezers. Remove splinters, ticks, debris, others from wounds. Also assists in precision handling of small items, just in case we need it. After that, it said we needed 4 Ziploc bags bigger than sandwich bag. I have 4 of them right here. 4. It can be used to store and use to use store and use store old contaminated objects and items safely. Can hold medication documents and other small tools, and also is waterproof just in case we need it. Next thing on the list with garbage bags, I got 2 kitchen-sized garbage bags. Can be used to dispose of medical waste and be used as a makeshift poncho or ground cover just in case of wet, if it's raining or if it's wet outside. Next thing on the list was a pack of matches or a lighter. I have a lighter and a secure waterproof bag. Start a fire, warmth, or signal for an emergency. I'll also be used to sterilize metal tools if needed. After that, we have safety pins. We needed 3 plus. I have a 30 pack right here. Secures bandages and or slings just in case we need to tightly secure them. Can be used to attach items or clothing, items to clothing or gear, just in case we need to keep something on someone. After that, we have a whistle. This whistle also has a compass, temperature, a thermometer, and a whistle. Can be used to signal for help or alert others of your location, just in case you need. After that, we have a pair of safety gloves, or yeah, just pair of rubber or vinyl examination gloves. It said we needed 2 pairs minimum. This is a 100 pack. I'm just gonna leave in there. It can be used to protect both the caregiver and the patient from contamination. And it means just keeps hygiene up and good. After that, we need hand sanitizer. It can be disinfectant for your hands just in case you need to wash off blood or other bodily fluids on your hands. It also reduces the risk of spreading germs and sepsis or infections. After that, we needed an emergency space blanket. Retains body heat in cold conditions just in case someone's in hypothermia, and can also be used as a ground cover or shelter in case. After that, we needed a Sharpie, one single Sharpie. It can be used to label, take notes. It can also be used to write on someone's forehead time of application of a tourniquet. Um, could just used for just marking down information as needed. And after that, we needed a flashlight that works. I decided to grab this big flashlight. It can be used for multiple reasons. One reason is illuminating injuries and surrounding of low light, just in case we need to see. It helps with that. It can also be used as a signal for help or help someone find our location. And the final thing on the list is the chewable aspirin. I got low dosage. They needed to be chewable, and I got 3 packs of them just in case. Can be used just in case someone's having a heart attack or to help with pain. Spirits. And then we were allowed to have 5 extra credit items. The first one I grabbed was sunscreen, just in case someone's having a burn on the outside of their body, or being in the sun for a long period of time. It can help with that. I also grabbed some Neosporin. Can be used to keep bandages and wounds are clean, and be used to change up. It's a disinfectant, so you can use for all that good antibacterial stuff. I also got a emergency signal light with a beacon and a flashing just in case, and be used to signal for help or to get people's attention if needed. Also be used to illuminate the area just in case you need to work. And the final extra credit item I have a tourniquet. Can be used to stop the bleeding or to apply pressure to a wound if needed. Be also used to hold something if needed. Um, and otherwise, yeah, that's all my first aid kit. Put everything all together, zip everything up. All zipped up and secured, and I plan on leaving it in my car. Thank you.